Hey guys, welcome back. This is Naresh. So in the last video, we have seen how to use constructor to create instance variable. And now there's another type of variable called the static variable. So there's a difference between the static variable and the instance variable which we have created last time. Static variables are something which belongs to a class but not to an object. If you notice here in this program, the school name which I am giving is common for both. So instead of providing this as a static variable, I will create instead of providing this as an instance variable, I will create a static variable. So what I will do, I will remove this self.schoolname from here and and here I will create one variable inside the class. So I will say this is school name. I will just copy this school name equal to send soldier public school. Okay, that's it. I've given here, and here also I am just giving in the constructor just the age. In the print name I am printing both, and here I don't have to give the school name now because I know for all my students the school name remain the same. Okay, so this is how I am giving. And now if I do a right click and run, you will notice that the age is different for all the students, but the school name remains same. Okay, so that's mean the static variable belongs to a class. It does not belong to an object. It does not depend the data which we provide to an object, but it depend upon the class. If I change the school name of a student class, if I give something like student dot school name equal to, and here I will say St. Paul's school, because here I want my object to be of the same school, so I want the school name to be constant. So here I don't have to worry about the school name for the entire objects which I have created. It will directly go ahead and assign this school name to all my objects. So if I do a right click and I will run that, you will see that the school name is changed. So that's mean this student.schoolname variable belongs to a class. It does not belong to an object. Okay, so whenever you want to create some kind of a static variable, you can use this class variable. And for instance variable, you already know we can just do self.age equal to age. It will create instance variable for you. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.